be teaching you how to add end screen and cards to your video with just your mobile phone. End screen is that YouTube feature that appears in the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video. While card is also a YouTube feature that pops up in the upper right corner of a video frame. Adding these two features to your video helps in channel optimization and is another way of promoting and recommending your videos, playlists, website, merchandise or channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do that with your mobile phone, and we are going to be making use of the YouTube Studio through the Chrome browser. Okay, so now head over to your Chrome browser and type YouTube Studio. Wait patiently and allow it to load. Once it loads, click on the YouTube dashboard as seen on the screen and it will automatically take you to YouTube Studio. Please do not rush when working on this surface because it is hard to move around. But the good thing is that you can actually use your two fingers to zoom in and out. So navigate on the left side of your YouTube Studio and click on Content. This is going to bring out all the list of contents in your YouTube Studio. Now you have to locate the particular video you want to add your end screen to. It is best to click on the title of that your video. Click on the pencil icon. It is going to bring out the more index of the video where you can choose to edit your thumbnail, title, description and so on. Navigate to your right and click on the end screen and you will see a lot of templates to use. You can choose to use a customized template, but as for me, I don't like using a customized template. Just go ahead and select any template that you like to use in your video. For this video, I'll be using the one that says one video, one playlist and one subscribe. That means I'm going to add one video, one playlist and of course my subscribe button on the end screen. So I'm just going ahead to click on the plus button and it's going to bring out options like most recent uploads, best for viewers and choose specific video. As for me, I like choosing my specific video, so I'm just going ahead to click on specific video and my whole gallery is going to come out. So I'll just go ahead and select any video I like. To also add your playlist, click on the plus button and select any playlist that you like it to appear under your video. Make sure that the cards are not touching each other because if they are touching each other, it is not going to work. Once you're okay with the playlist, go ahead and click save to save your work. Moving on to add your cards, click on the card icon on the right side of your YouTube Studio. Use the card icon to navigate and choose where you want to place the card info in your video. Go ahead and click on the plus button and you will see options like video, playlist, channel and link. Just go ahead and select any video of your choice. Also use the same method to add your playlist, channel or any link you want to add in your card info. Once you are done adding, go ahead and click on save. And that is just how to add your end screen and your cards to your video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Thanks for watching. My name is Sylvia Chimdimma. See you on my next content. Bye.